Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I just got some unboxing for you. It actually is a Christmas smart lights. Yeah, it will be unboxing and I just will show you how it works quickly. And I think it's very nice and I can only recommend you. Okay, let's go to unboxing. Put on my hand. Here you go. I got the Christmas light on my hands and it looks like this. Come and unboxing. Okay, there is not too much on this box. It's actually, we're gonna open it. Or actually we can have a look first on what we got on the box. It's a model MSL2 and it also need a power supply, any USB source. That means you can find it any charger like this one or PC or whatever, yeah. And support the dimmable monitor. You can put a brightness low and high. Tone color changing. It's got a 16 million colors, which is brilliant. It's also reacting on the music, the music mode, and it's also got a remote control. And this one is also got a smart app where you can set up lots of things and how the lights will be working. But the main reason I buy this one is because it's have a, like we have on the box, it's got a remote control and the app I'll be don't use, but you can use over the app. Okay, what we have inside? It's a power cable, which is like standard USB cable with the special connection on the other side, and we got the lights. Nothing else on the box. Look at that, user manuals, remote control, and lights. How this lights looks? Looks brilliant. If you have a look on the lights, it's got like a really nice cable. Looks robust, that's fine, and looks nicely. And got also the manual remote control on the cable as well, where can you switch on and change the color or put on the music mode. This is the microphone, which one is actually monitoring the music or voice or whatever is happen, and lights will be reacting on this mode. That means you got also the remote control with all of the modes you can switching on. There is a plenty of mode. Some of the mode, like first 5 common one, is got a button over here, and also the music, free more music. You can switch the timing for 1 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour on and off. Brightness you can set up here. Got 3 different stages for this. Also you can choose straight away the color RGB, and also the brightness you can set up, I think, over here. We will have a look on the manuals first. And as you can see, there is nothing really special. Like I said, you got that all button explained here. You got a QR code for the app you can download and connect your lights to smart. You can after that remote over the internet connection from everywhere on the world. And also you can see you got a set up lights over here. That means all of the color you have here you can actually set up on these lights. Yeah, it works and it's brilliant. I will be show you in a minute. Now you probably know I already test this and make just only quick test, but this I may put back on the box, make an unboxing for you and show you and explain what I think about these lights. Yeah, and I think it's brilliant. Yeah, and that's it actually, nothing else, and there is more language. Okay, put in the box. There is one on the box, hide it, and we can now switch on this light and show you how it looks like. This means we need this power cable, which is actually plugged in here. Now plug in the connector over here to USB and plug in on the main power. Here we go. And now we can switch on this light. There you go. We got a white light. Look at that. It's really strong. I like it. And also, like, we can change the color: red, green, blue. And also, you want to see how it's working the music mode. You switch on the music mode and you start talking, lights will be actually flashing or do what you will on the actually will be reacting on your sound or music or whatever. I'll be show you just like this, like switch on the music mode, couple of times flashing, and now actually the lights switch on. Where are you talking? And it will be make some music that will be brilliant. Yeah, I like these lights. Another mode, also reacting to my sound or voice or whatever you want. It's brilliant. I actually so love this mode. If we will be put some absolutely your favorite music, the lights will be try reacting to music and will be flashing how you want it or how music want it. Never mind, you will see. It's brilliant. Okay, and also you got a couple of more modes. I will be put a 1 to 5 mode, which is just over here on the remote control. Mode number 1. Nice flashing. I don't think you can see probably, but I will be in the minutes open it this and make a no run. Look at that, flashing around. Mode 2, mode 3, mode 4 and mode 5. This is the mode which is just straight on the remote control, but there is a plenty of different modes. You can check it. It's brilliant. The red lights, blue, whatever. There's like really many for that. Like this one is a blue color and red dots is going over and over. Okay, now I will be open this for you, switching off. And make some special setup. What I mean in special setup, that means I will put on my hand, and then I just don't wanna broke this. Yes, second. Just keep this. Okay. I'll hold it like this and show you some, again, switching on mode and some different modes. Yeah. That's the red dots. Can you see the red dots? Where you can find the red dots? Can you see the red dots over here? It's here. It's just red dots, yeah. Or another stuff, yeah. I will be later on, once I put on my Christmas tree, I will put this on the Christmas tree and actually show you how it looks over there. And yeah, the light is actually so cool. As you can see, there is a plenty of mode. I think it's really unbelievable how this light looks like. It's really nice. Okay, that's how it looks, the lights. You can set up even the one lights, like you want the white, you can put the white, you can put the brightness up and brightness down. And yeah, there is a plenty of mode. This one, when you put on the music mode, this mode is brilliant because it's reacting to your voice. Also, this one is reacting on your voice. Yeah, okay, what do you think about this light? I think it's really, really nice, and I can only recommend. How much it's cost? It's cost me just 18 euro, including the postage and everything. I buy it from AliExpress. It's not a paid promotion or something, it's just buy it for myself, for my Christmas tree. This is actually 10 meters long, that means 100 lights on it, and for my Christmas tree should be alright, because yeah, should be alright. I don't have a big Christmas tree, and that looks absolutely brilliant. Hopefully you like it, and I will put this on the floor as well for you. Maybe you can see more lights. Give me a second. Okay, we got a Christmas lights on the floor, and now I will be change the mode for you. Mode number 1. Mode number 2. Mode number 3. Mode number 4. It's brilliant fairy light. Or mode number 5. And that's the main mode which you got and switch on quickly here. But you got also the arrow here which you can actually set up the different mode. With this arrow you can set up the different mode. There is plenty of more, like I will be a couple of them switch on. And yeah, other one. One more. Already, here you go. More and more and more and more. Yeah, as you can see, there is a really too many modes for these lights, and hopefully you really like it like me. It's amazing light. I hopefully will be not broken soon and will be working all Christmas, but yeah, I don't see the reason why not. Yeah, this light is amazing. I really can say it's only amazing. Brilliant. Okay, that's it. There is actually more and more and more modes for these lights. Some of the modes you can set up from the app. I even can't say how many modes I have, but I think it's maybe about 50. Yeah, that's what I think. I not count it. If you really want it, just write me on the comment. I can have a look for you and check on the app how many modes is there. But yeah, there is really many modes, and everyone will find it modes and style of the lighting you will like it. If you want to see the app, let me know. I will show you the app. But main reason I buy it, this one, is because it also have a remote control, and even my kids can change the lights on and off and switch the mode. Okay, I think that's it for today. Hopefully you like these lights as well. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and share my channel if you can. And stay tuned. I really like you all. Have a nice Christmas, all you. Merry Christmas for you.